Hi, I'm Landon, and this is Frankie, and this is Leonardo. We call him Leo for short, Little Leo, from Green Tool Garage. And today I'm going to show a short clip of this brand new USB Lithium compact Verse speaker. And I'm sure a lot of you have seen the press release on it, and this is a really cool item. So let's open it up and take a look. You ready, Leo? This is your very first video. You ready? Thank you, Frank. All right, some pretty cool packaging, I would say, too. I love how this is actually merchandise, cardboard box, not the plastic. Much easier to open up. In fact, I'm going to save this box. It's that cool looking. All right, check that out here. Nice. Got a QR code, so you can quickly just point your camera app on your phone towards it, and it'll give you information on what to do and how to use some of the settings on it in case you forget. I believe it comes with a charging cable as well. Let's see. Here's a lanyard, black and green, USB-C cable, and also comes with a 2 amp hour with the new button for the fuel gauge. That's appreciated, the new style. And of course, the documentation here. And there's a quick guide here to how to connect it to your other Verse speakers and also your Bluetooth as well. And we will put this aside. Okay. All right. So just happen to have another one here. And let's put a battery in here. Let me get a fresh one. Okay. To put the battery in here, in case you didn't know this, this is actually waterproof. So if you take this to the lake or to the swimming pool and you get this wet, you're not going to have to worry about it. There is a nice solid clip right here on the bottom of it. You pull it open to release the clip, and there is the battery compartment. Pop that in there. It seals really nice and tightly, and re-engage that clip just like so. Okay, so some of you may have tried to watch the video that I published a couple hours ago and may have received an error, SME muted in this country, whatnot. So apparently when I did the demonstration with some music, I believe it was AC/DC and Metallica in the background, it was a copyright infringement, so it got muted out and blocked all over the place. So I'm back, and I'm going to shorten the video here because I'm not going to demo any music, which is unfortunate because these speakers sound absolutely amazing. And but I'll go over a couple of things here. So I do have 2 of these here, and I am keeping the box because I am very pleasantly surprised at the packaging. You can tell that they went into a lot of effort with the merchandising or the marketing of this and the presentation of this. This is really cool, and it's cardboard, so it's not that plastic blister wrap that you always cut your fingers on when you're trying to open it up. Anyhow, that's pretty cool. Okay, so first things first, you want to connect it to your source, which is your phone, your tablet, computer, whatever the case is. And you want to go to the settings. I'm using my iPad, and going to the Bluetooth, and you're going to look for where it says RYOBI. Turn it on.
Power on. Primary transmitting. Bluetooth connected.
Okay, I already connected it before, and it is called RYOBI USB speaker. So look for that when you're pairing it for the first time. Now, once you do that, I did put the news on here, so hopefully that doesn't violate any copyright infringements, but you won't be able to see how well it sounds. But here we go here. Let me turn the volume up. Yeah.
Struggling to recover. We've had no delays on the Dumbarton Bridge. It's an old grade.
Actually, that sounds pretty good too.
We had that crashes earlier.
But you don't hear the highs and the lows, but this has a lot of bass for a very small speaker. Very well made.
Warm to hot today.
Now, since I have this, I'm going to connect this one also.
cooler tomorrow, 5 to 10 degrees difference at the coast.
Power this on. But with this one, instead of using the Bluetooth, we're going to use the Verse technology, which, there we go. It automatically did because I had it connected before. But all you do is press and hold that connect button, as this is the primary. And then you press that, and it looks for the primary, and it connected together. And now they're both on. Next, if you happen to be one of those that went out and bought one of these cool Link speakers here not too long ago when it was released a couple months ago. I like to call it a subwoofer because it does have subwoofer in it. It's Link compatible. It's Verse compatible, which is all the Verse speakers here. And Bluetooth as well. Okay, so we're going to connect this, but this isn't going to be a primary, which it usually is because it's usually it's got the radio, it's got the Bluetooth and everything, but this can be used bidirectionally. So which means it doesn't have to be used as a primary, it can be used as a secondary also. And in this scenario, that's what it's going to be. So I'm going to power this on first. And okay, it's on the radio first, so I'm going to hit the settings button so it's not on the radio. Whoop. Okay, put it on Bluetooth there. And now I'm going to hit the connect button for the Verse. Searching for, there we go. Now it's connected to this because this is the primary. And now here we go. Have this, and this going now. Boy, if I had music to demonstrate here so everybody can really see how well this sounds. But there's more. Some of you may have had these. These were the first Verse speakers that were released by RYOBI, which is the Verse clip speakers. Now, when we turn these on,
Power on. Searching for primary. Power. Secondary sync. Searching for
Williams
primary.
is not guilty.
Secondary
This
sync.
is CBS News.
Think O'Reilly Auto Parts
All right.
for all your car care needs. Get the parts and service
so
you
you
need
can
fast
adjust
from
the
the
volume
professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts.
individually from each device, or I can control the volume from the source, which is my iPad right now. Now, if you're familiar with the Verse system, you know that you can connect up to 100 plus devices to each other. So you get multiple of these boxes, you can get multiple of these, multiple of the clamp speakers, and you'll be the life of the party. So anyhow, again, this video was cut really short because I had to cut out all the copyright infringement of demoing any music. And anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, questions in the comment section. Give us a like, subscribe, you know, the whole 9 yards. Anyhow, I'm Landon from Green Tools Garage. Thanks for watching.